everybody, my name is Craig and I'm going to teach you how to make scrambled eggs. For this video, we will need eggs, a bowl and a fork to mix the eggs up, a frying pan and a spatula to cook the eggs, and some no-stick olive oil so that the eggs don't stick to our pan. Alright, so when it's time to cook the eggs, you want to turn your oven on to about medium heat. You want to take your eggs and crack them into the bowl. And what I do for this is I take my egg, I give it 2 good taps there, use my thumbs, and open it up so that it goes right in the bowl. I'm going to do that with 2 eggs today. And for scrambled eggs, you take your fork or a whisk, and you just mix up the eggs. And while your frying pan is getting hot, you're going to take your no-stick olive oil and spray it so that your eggs don't stick to the bottom of the pan. And just coating it one time will be enough. And then once your eggs are all whisked together, they kind of look yellow all the way around, you can take your eggs and you can dump them into your pan. And then as your eggs cook, they'll start to make that scrambled look, and you'll take your spatula and mix them all around so they get cooked evenly. Yeah. So while you're cooking your eggs, it might take some time for them to cook, but what you don't want to do is leave your eggs and go sit down or do anything else, because they might burn or just overcook and then they won't taste good. Alright, so as your eggs are cooking, they're going to start looking like this, where it almost looks like one big egg together. It's still a little runny, and this is where you're going to use your spatula and just do a little turn, kind of like when we were whisking it with our fork. We're just going to do that with the spatula in the pan. Make sure it doesn't stick to the sides. Even though we spray that non-stick stuff on there, it's not perfect, but the goal is that most of the eggs come out not stuck to the pan. And so I like to chop mine up to give them that one bite feel, and then flip them. And the goal here is all that white that's in there, you want to make that disappear, because that is the egg white of the undercooked egg. And so when that is all gone and they look nice and yellow, then they'll be ready to eat. Alright, so our eggs are nearing being done. They're not runny, they're nice and thick. And so what we're going to do is make sure we turn our oven off, or our stovetop off. We're going to take our eggs and we're going to just knock them onto our plate so that we can eat them.
714's Joy, learn it together.